Hey y'all, this is Anna Alexander, and this is Dish About the Dish Happy Hour, where I am ever so slowly working my way through all 1,200 recipes in the International Bartender's Guidebook, copyright 1996. And it has been a while. Yes, this winter was a little sickly and a little busy, but I'm back and I'm so excited to get into the cocktail scene again. And today we are doing a lot of drinks. We are doing six total. Why? That is because they all share similarity. They all begin with the word angel. That's right, these are the angel drinks. And all but one are all layered drinks, which is terrifying because if you saw me make the Americano, you know that layered is not my forte. So this could be a mess, but I'm so excited to get to it, and we are going to start right away with the Angel's Delight. So let's get to it. For the Angel's Delight, you will layer in a pousse glass a ½ ounce of grenadine, ½ ounce of triple sec, ½ ounce of sloe gin, topped with cream. That does not look layered at all. Success. Mostly. The second on our list is Angel's Dream. Super simple enough. 1.5 ounces of dark creme de cacao topped with a ½ teaspoon of cream. The next on our list is the Angel's Kiss. And I have to tell you, I feel no love from this cocktail. I started with a ½ ounce of white creme cacao, ½ ounce sloe gin, ½ ounce brandy, and we top again with our friend cream. Don't know what it is, but it sank to the bottom and just turned scrambled. I mark this one a fail. Then we get back into friendlier territory with the Angel's Tip. I call it the cousin to the Angel's Dream because instead of dark cacao, you're now using white cacao. From the Angel's Tip, we are going to the Angel's Wings, starting with white creme de cacao, brandy, followed by cream, and as you can imagine, it did not go well again. And finally, we end with the Angel Face, which is not a layered cocktail. Yay! But we have in this lovely, delightful treat 1 ounce of gin, 1 ounce of apricot brandy, and 1 ounce of apple brandy. Shake it in your cocktail mixer, pour it in a chilled glass. Voila! We had some successes and we had some failures. Oh, did we have some failures? But definitely looking forward to trying some more than others. But let's give it a go, starting first with the Angel's Delight. Because it's the red on the purpley, I don't know if this was successful at all. Why so much cream? Why so much cream? It's a reminder, this is grenadine, triple sec, sloe gin, and cream. It looks pretty. It tastes like things. Taste the grenadine, none of the triple sec, and just some cream. I don't know. Maybe this is why I've never heard of it. Who craves this? Nobody? Is it terrible? No, it's not the worst. But it's not the best either. Next, we have the Angel's Dream, which was dark creme de cacao and cream. Simple. I'm gonna guess this is an after dinner with your coffee. Just put this in your coffee, y'all. Yeah, screw the liqueur glass. Just put this in your coffee. I can't even say liqueur glass. I'd rather just have this in coffee, and I'm sure it would be delightful. I don't know, y'all. I don't. So I tried this twice, once with the dark cacao, once with the white, and it's that cream. The cream would not float, but with sloe gin. And it smells like liquor. It smells like alcohol. No. On what earth? Maybe because that cream was floated on top? No. This does look angelic. We have the Angel's Tip. I have a feeling that cherry is going to be much needed. White creme de cacao cream. Is it refreshing? No. It's the same cocktail. Dark and white. That's the only difference. But these two I could finish. The other ones, no. These ones I could finish. And then we had our second failure. This is the Angel's Wings. The Angel's Wings started so promising both times. And that cream, man, that cream did not want to float. White creme de cacao, brandy, and cream. So it's the Angel's Wing tip. The last one, but with brandy. Why? I think it's the... Just say no to brandy in this drink. Is it as bad as as the Angel's Kiss? Almost. No. Just no. So next is the one I've been looking the most forward to out of the 6, although it matches none of the other flavor profiles at all. So what's this gonna do? I don't know. Maybe I need another palate cleanser real quick. Okay, this one is the Angel Space. I can smell the brandies. I can taste the gin. Gin's not my favorite. Maybe I should try something besides Tanqueray. Very gin forward. I can taste the apple more than the apricot. But I can smell the apricot more than the apple. I don't know. Could I finish this one? I could, but you know what? I think this would be best if it was served over ice in a Collins glass. For reals. I think it's better. Yeah, better with ice. I think that would break up the gin some. But there we go. Are you a fan of any of these cocktails? Have you even heard of them before? And how are you? What are some tips for layering that cream on top? Because man, that is wasteful. That's just wasteful. But thanks so much for joining me. I do appreciate you stopping by the few times that I am here. Hope to do these more again in the future because we've got a lot more of the alphabet to go to. So thanks again. Take care of yourselves. Stretch your bodies. Stay hydrated. And then come see the next video in the queue. So thanks again, y'all. And until next time.